Hello everyone. Just finished up another little project for the layout. Years ago I bought a bunch of little structure kits with the idea that one day when I had more time I'd put them together. Well, I was looking for something else and I opened up this one box and they were all in there, so I've just been kind of cranking them out a little bit. This one is a Walthers Cornerstone kit, and this was made a few years back, and it is another laser cut wooden kit. You can see there's a few extra pieces and some of the stuff that's left over from the walls that I used to build it. Didn't come out too bad. Kind of painted it up to look a lot like the box. I like the color scheme, so I changed it a little bit here and there, but it's not too bad. There's a little bunker here, and it's not attached to the building here, I could show you, but it's all wood. And there's a couple little accessories that came with it. I think I'll find a nice little place in my layout there since I'm kind of modeling the, late 40s, early 50s time frame, but that's about it.